Because I just washing the dishes.
Oh, yeah? Say hi to the camera.
Hi, I'm cooking. Look.
Good. Now, we're going to put the eggs on it.
Ooh, good.
See. Around.
Now it's stir, right?
Now, what you need to do is pull it back like this. Look what a nice trick. Look. You see? We can stir it a little bit if you want. Like, go like slowly.
Is that?
Yep. Yeah, go like this.
Oh, perfect.
Slowly, yeah, you're going too fast.
Okay.
Just like, because that way you don't spill it all over.
Can we have cheese on this?
You want cheese on it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Can we get it?
Yep, we put that at the end, okay?
Okay.
On top. Keep stirring it. How are we gonna call this show? Jade Cooking Show?
No. Or Jade's Cooking Show.
Okay.
Now as you watch, I will do the...
Jade. You want to drop it out or something? No. What? Alright, that's enough for that video.